Nak cakap apa? Takut.
Nama saya Muhammad Ali. Saya berasa seronok. Banggalah, bestlah.
So sekarang saya nak buat challenge for aras rendah dan rasa macam gemetar.
My name is Badir Mohsin. I درس السويدر. I'm from Saudi Arabia. I tried this fly fox. I came from University Unitar. This is my second time actually trying flying fox. It was nice experience. Honestly, I was very scared at first, but then it's really exciting.
So you try to ayo berkata nama saya Muhammad Hafiz Abdul Aris. Saya daripada grup pejabat kesihatan daerah Jempol Negeri Sembilan sampai dengan selamat kan?
Selamat, tapi takut macam tu.
Okay, so is it fun?
Okay, fine.
Tapi itulah tak apa, hilangkan jerit tadi, jerit kuat tu biar dia hilangkan rasa nervous. Tapi alhamdulillah selamat kan? Okay, thank you Pan
Berasa seronok. Banggalah, bestlah.
Buat aktiviti apa?
Aktiviti flying fox.